take your clothes so that just the rest can go.
Stay tuned. This is what 82 million has changed in Johannesburg.
Oh, I don't know.
Watch the video till the end. The cleaning of foreigner continue. Subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. Fokou Media, wherever you go. Hello guys, my name is Alphonse Fokou. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. As you know, we are in Johannesburg today in South Africa. I will be walking on this street with you. Pay attention on the street. This street used to be called Bree. It's one of the popular streets here in Johannesburg CBD. But we all remember that in 2023, we actually had a damage on this street. So the road was destroyed by an underground gas explosion 2 years back. But you can see today that the street is beautiful. I mean, it looks like it's one of the beautiful streets here in Johannesburg CBD. Of course, it's a new street. Guys, do you know what? The government of South Africa actually spent 82 million rand to fix, to repair this street called today Lilian Goy. Guys, from this street I will take you to another street in this Johannesburg CBD. That other street called the Villiers got a particular thing which I want you to observe. In that street, the government actually went to chase all the foreigners who used to sell the second-hand clothes on the pavement. Guys, we can actually notice that the road was well done, beautiful, but I don't know if 82 million rand was just little for this road.
nezitali ukhona nowasezingadini okubulala imvukuzane ukuswenya nezinye
Guys, this particular street was full of people selling second-hand clothes, foreigner and South African were full on this street selling second-hand clothes. I cannot believe that today there's no single person selling second-hand clothes in this place. Today they're actually planting trees. You can see tree here on the street. They just plant this tree newly. So very soon we're going to have this street very, very green. I'm asking myself, is it for election? Is it because of the election that they are doing this? Or is it going to be a permanent cleanup? Is it because of G20 that the government take on them to clean up Johannesburg? Or is it just because they want to prove to the population that they can do it? Yes, we can see that there's a change here. Guys, this place used to be full of people selling second-hand clothes. Today we can see the tree coming out from the ground. So very soon this place will be actually a green place and beautiful to walk on. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, the channel of African in the Diaspora.
Secondo zocchere a fare shop, website ci stanno molto a fare shop. Così che tele di la vostra mamma. Diciamo molti.
What I said especially, that most is about which is corner like higher, it's in my which now catch a same which.